guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today, we'll be unboxing an XVR device that offers multiple AI functions, including a feature that allows you to schedule these AI functions based on your preferences, saving time and effort. Introducing the Dahua HD CVI recorder. Here's the product box. You can see the model number here. Its dimensions are 433 millimeters by 141 millimeters by 366 millimeters, and it weighs about 2.98 kilograms. Let's unbox, shall we? Here we go. So this is what's inside. As you can see, it contains the XVR itself and a box of accessories, which include a power adapter, a power cord, two SATA cables, an HDD power cable, an installation guide, and a regulation booklet, as well as a network cable, a pack of screws with two wiring terminals, and a mouse. The dimensions of the XVR are 375 millimeters by 289 millimeters by 53 millimeters, and it weighs about 1.8 kilograms. On the rear panel, you can see the interface. Let's talk about some features and highlights of the XVR. An XVR is a hybrid video recorder that supports HD CVI, TVI, AHD, CVBS, and network cameras. The HD CVI recorder also supports 16:9 5-megapixel cameras to restore distorted images, as well as multiple AI functions, including SMD+, perimeter protection, AI coding, and more. SMD Plus, or Smart Motion Detection Plus, is an AI function that can distinguish the motions of human and vehicle shapes, thus filtering out unnecessary objects and reducing false alarms. Perimeter protection uses intelligent analysis based on tripwire and area intrusion, only sending alarms when triggered by a human or vehicle. For example, cars in no parking zones or unwanted visitors on private property. With the HD CVI recorder, SMD Plus and perimeter protection can be linked up with smart dual illuminator cameras, allowing you to set rules to reduce light pollution and still capture full color images. Meanwhile, AI coding helps save storage space and reduce bandwidth costs. But what's really remarkable about this XVR is its scheduled AI. In the past, only one AI function could be enabled on a channel. Users needed to manually configure the switch between other functions. Now, with scheduled AI, the AI functions can be set according to different time frames, which improves efficiency and expands applicable scenarios. Basically, scheduled AI allows you to select the day and time of each AI function for when you need it, instead of having to manually switch between them. The HD CVI recorder supports a linkage with the TOC 2.0, allowing you to utilize its alarm voice customization, making it ideal for a multitude of scenarios. For example, retail stores. During operating hours, you could schedule SMD Plus to detect customers and give them a friendly greeting. Then, the scheduled AI switches to perimeter protection to deter potential threats when the store is closed. Or maybe your pesky neighbor constantly allows their friends to park in your driveway. Schedule perimeter protection during workdays to let them know no parking. Then protect your home throughout the nights and weekends with SMD Plus, discouraging unwanted visitors by informing them that they are on private property and should keep out. Aside from the alarm voice customization, one-tap disarming via the DMSS app and the dual illumination mode can be achieved when matched with the TIOC 2.0 camera. If you haven't seen it yet, check out the unboxing video we did for the TIOC 2.0, link in the description box below. What's more, aside from the XVR UI and DMSS app, the XVR arming and disarming can be controlled by a device's local alarm. For example, users can press the alarm button switch to achieve quick arming and disarming control of the device for added convenience. Overall, the Dahua HD CVI recorder provides the same great AI functions and features, but increases productivity and convenience with its scheduled AI feature. And, as an XVR, it can support multiple cameras such as 16:9 5-megapixel cameras, smart dual illuminator cameras, and the TIOC 2.0, providing convenience and intelligent features for more effective and reliable security and surveillance. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.